Was planning to upload Python tutorials regularly, but I did not get enough time. So today I am start again and we will continue from part 5. If you are new here, make sure to check out the previous parts. I will already cover the basic from the beginnings. In this video, we will learn Python operators. Operators are symbols that perform operations or variables and values. First, arithmetic operator. These operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here A is 5, B is 2. A plus B gives 7. A minus B gives 3. A multiplied by B gives 10. And A divides B gives 2.5. Next, comparison operator. These operators are used to compare two values, and they always return a boolean result, either true or false. For example, A equal B is false, A not equal B is true, A greater than B is true, A less than B is false. Now, logical operator. These operators are used to combine multiple conditions and return true if both conditions are true, or return true if at least one condition is true, not reverse the result. One quest for you. If x equal to 10, what is the output of x multiply equal 3? Let's see the answer. The correct answer is 30 because x multiplied by 3 becomes 30. Finally, assignment operators. These operators are used to assign value to variables. They also provide shortcuts like plus, equal, or multiply equal to make the code shorter and more efficient. Comment your answer and don't forget to subscribe to the channel from Python tutorials. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next part.